Hello everyone, this is your computer teacher Ravi sir. Today I'll let you know what is console value and what is the importance of scanner class, that is taking values from keyboard. I'll let you know through the examples. See the first example in the program 1. You can see there is a program where three data types integer are taken with three variables ABC. The value taken is 10, 5, and I am finding the product. So when I'll compile this, you can see there is no syntax error, and in the terminal window I can see the result. Value taken were 10 and 5, so the product is 50. Now if I would have to take the values from console, that is from the keyboard, the same program is written through the console. You can see I am taking the utility package from where these classes like scanner, vector, date and time, we can use them for our utility purpose. This scanner class is used to take the value from keyboard. In the last example you saw the values were constant 10 and 5, but here we can take the values from the keyboard. For that you have to write this line: import java.util.asterisk. It imports the utility package along with all its classes, and these classes are used to take the value from the keyboard. Scanner is a class, sc is its object, and new is used to create an object. System.in is an object for system console for input. Here I am taking two numbers. This is called prompting. In the last video already I have discussed this. Next int, if we are taking integer, it can be different data type as well. In the next video I'll let you know. You can see two values are taken and finding the product, and here product is being printed. When I'll compile, I'll see no syntax error. Close, go to the terminal window for running the program. Okay, see here two numbers are being demanded. Here you can put the first number 10 as were taken in the last example, second number 5, so the result will be 50. You can see I am taking the values from keyboard. You can check it again. I am taking the different number this time, 100 and 10, so the result will be 1000. So it depends what value you want to take. So this is a console program where the values can be taken from keyboard. You can take another example for finding simple interest. Here I have taken principal rate and time as a constant value. That means every time this program will show the same result for simple interest. You can see, compile, no syntax error, close, run it. You will get simple interest as 10. But if you want to take the value of principal rate and time, then you have to write this program like this: import java.utility.asterisk scanner class, take the values principal rate and time, calculate using this formula, and find the simple interest. Compile, close, run. You can see it is demanding principal, the same value I am taking, 100, rate 5, time 2, simple interest is 10. Again I am running this program, the same program. This time I will change the value. This time I will take 200 as principal, rate is 10 and time is 4. Same result you will take, simple interest is 80. So this is how we can take the value from keyboard. So this is the program through console. You can check it again, and using this you can write many programs which will be given to you in the next assignment. I'm just changing its preference so that you can see it clearly. I hope it's clear to you. Java.util.asterisk class simple interest 2. The name of the class should not be same. Scanner, then taking the values. I hope you got it everything. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.